All right, let's talk about engineering your future, specifically when it comes to heavy-duty vehicles. If you're an engineer out there looking to make a real impact, you're going to want to listen up, because we're diving into some pretty unique opportunities opening up at the Tata AutoComp Technical Centre.
So let me just ask you this right off the bat. Are you ready for your next big engineering challenge? Because if you have a passion for innovation, for those powerful tractors and the whole off-highway sector, then you'll definitely want to pay close attention.
Okay, let's get right into it. What we're looking at today, this isn't just another job posting. Nope. This is a chance, a real opportunity to take your career to the next level with a true industry leader.
So the Tata AutoComp Technical Centre is officially on the hunt for skilled engineers. And listen, the key word here is innovate. This isn't just about keeping things running. It's a chance to get your hands dirty designing and developing the next generation of tractors and heavy-duty off-highway vehicles.
Now, you're probably thinking, okay, sounds cool, but am I the right fit for this? That is the perfect question. This next part is all about breaking down that ideal candidate profile, so you can see exactly who they're looking for.
And here it is, the magic number they're really focused on, 3 to 8 years of professional experience. Let's talk for a second about why that specific range is so important.
So why that specific range? Well, 3 to 8 years, that's really considered the perfect sweet spot, It means you've got enough real-world experience to jump in and make a difference from day one, but you're also at that point in your career where there's still tons of room to grow, to learn, and to maybe even take on new leadership roles.
So if that experience level sounds like you, let's get to the really exciting part. Let's explore the actual engineering roles that are open right now.
And as you can see, there's a fantastic range of opportunities here. They're looking for 5 very distinct roles: a sheet metal design engineer, a linkage system engineer, a harness component expert, a hydraulics engineer, and a vehicle integration engineer. Just take a second and think about where your particular skills might shine.
All right, so picking the right role is step one. But what does it really take to succeed on this team? Let's zoom in on the core skills and the kind of expertise you're going to need.
Let's just quickly break down the main focus for each role. For sheet metal, it's all about design and validation. If you're the linkage system expert, you'll be deep in structural and durability analysis. The harness component role, that's centered on connectors and testing. The hydraulics engineer, well, they're focused on hydraulic system development. And finally, vehicle integration. That's about being the master puzzle solver, bringing the powertrain and chassis all together.
And, across all of these roles, there are some essential tools and processes that are just non-negotiable. You've got to be proficient in CAD software, specifically UGNX. You'll also need a solid handle on DFMEA, that's designed for failure mode and effects analysis, which is all about spotting and fixing problems before they even happen. And on top of that, skills in things like bill of materials management, coordinating with suppliers, and optimizing costs, well, that's what's going to make a candidate truly stand out.
So, if you've been following along and thinking, wow, this sounds like exactly the next step I've been looking for, then this last part is for you. Let's talk about what you need to do to actually apply. And they've made this incredibly easy. Seriously. It all comes down to one simple, direct first step. Just get in touch.
And here is the single most important piece of info. All you have to do is send your details to this number, +91 9840 912 099. This is your direct line to this opportunity. So go ahead, pause here, take a quick screenshot, whatever you need to do.
And so we'll leave you with this one question. We've gone over the company, the different roles, the skills you'll need. The only thing left to figure out is, when you look at the future of vehicle engineering, do you want to be someone who just watches it happen, or do you want to be the one building it?